Hello everyone, in this video I am going to explain how to add intros, outros and background music to a video in order to make it look more appealing and attractive. Okay, so let's get started. So here I am opening Camtasia. Okay, now click on the new project. Import a demo video which we have recorded earlier. I am taking a demo video. I am clicking on open. So my demo video is imported. Now just drag and drop it in the timeline. Okay. Now what we need to do is, in order to add an intro, just leave some space in front so that you can add the intro here. Now going to the Camtasia features, you'll be having something called library tab where you'll be having intros. Okay, so go to the intros and choose a manual intro, whatever you like. Just drag and drop it in the timeline. Okay, so just drag it and fit it exactly in front of it. Now let's see how you are getting the intro. Click on play. Now you can see my intro is playing, after which my demo slideshow automatically starts playing. I'm going to pause here because the default name is TechSmith Camtasia, which I need to edit. To do so, click on the intro and you will be getting intro properties here where I need to edit the name of the title. I'll be giving something like tutorial video. Okay, I can also change the font type here. I'll be choosing some random font. Okay, I can change the text type. It may be regular or bold, bold italic, whatever you like. I can also change the text size. Okay, after changing the properties, let's have a look how we are getting the intro once again. I'm again clicking on play. So this is how my intro looks like. Immediately after which my demo video starts playing. So here's a tutorial PPT on Camtasia where I'll be explaining one sample slide. Understood? This is how you need to add an intro. Here you will be having still many more intros. You can choose anyone from the default library. You can also download it from the internet sources. Okay, by clicking on download more assets, you can also download more intros from the Camtasia website. Now moving on to outros. Here you are having two outros by default. I'm bringing one outro and I'm adding at the last. Okay, outros are added at the last. Okay, let's see how the outro is coming. I'm again clicking on play. Chance for acceleration due to gravity. Thank you. So here you can see how my outro has arrived. Okay, here it was written thanks for watching. We can put some random text here, whatever we like. Okay, by clicking on text properties here. You can give our website, our phone number, our ID, whatever you like. This is how you need to add an outro. Next, let's see how to add lower thirds. Lower thirds are nothing but a random title templates that you can add in between the videos. I'll be choosing some random template, something with the name electrical box, and I'm dragging and dropping somewhere here. Let's see how you are getting it. Click on play. So let's take this one as the sample set. The question given is, give the expression for force. Okay, here this is how you will be getting the lower third. Here you can adjust the size of the title by just moving these cross points or the corner points, whatever we can call. And you can edit these title and subtitles by clicking on the template. Moving on to template properties, here you can see the title and the subtitle. And you can also change the logo also. If you want to add some logo, you can also add the logo also. This is how you need to work with lower thirds. Okay. And the next one is, let's learn how to add a music track in the background. Okay. In the background of the video, the music track should be playing. To do that, to add a music track, first I should navigate to music tracks folder here. I'm expanding this music tracks folder. First, let's free the track here. I'll be deleting this particular template so that my track will be completely free. so that you can see it in a better way. So here I'm having so many files, so many music tracks. You can have a preview of it by just double clicking on it. I'm just showing you one sample file. Just double click on it. So this is how you can have a look at the preview of the file. Now if I want to add this to the timeline, just drag and drop it in the timeline. But the length of the track is more, but the video is limited to something like 54 to 55 seconds. So I need to chop off the track. I need to trim the track up to that extent. Select the track, position the slider and click on split and delete the rear part. So now my track is added. And the next one is controlling the volume level of the music track. So how to do that? So this is my music track. Okay. Throughout the music track, the volume is at 100% only. You can change the volume, you can control the volume just by moving this particular bar. Okay, by default the value is 100%. I'm putting it at the default value. Okay, now what I need to do is, this is my intro slide where the volume should be maximum. It should be 100%. After which my explanation is starting where my volume should go down. It should be as less as 5%. Okay, because it should be it should play in the background and only my content explanation should be the main thing. And again at the ending, after completion of my explanation, again the volume should go up to 100%. In the ending slide, at the outro, again volume should go up to 100%. To do that, what you need to do is, you need to add a random audio points at the intermediate locations. Okay, for example, the volume is 100% up to here constant. Let's assume from here the volume should drop. Just position the slider there, right click and click on add audio point. Okay, and the audio should come to 5% when I'm starting my explanation. Okay, so at that point again position the slider and again add another audio point. Understood? Clear? So now what you can do is just drop the audio point where you need to reduce the volume. So I'm bringing the volume to almost 5%. You can see on screen, volume I'm bringing to 5%. So up to here it is 100%, after which the volume is slowly going down to 5%. Again here after completion of my explanation, here my audio should go up. Okay, so here also add one audio point. Here add one audio point. Okay, and here add another audio point. And raise the secondary audio point here to 100%. Okay, this is how you'll be controlling the volume level. Okay, so initially in the intro slide the volume is high. It is slowly decreasing by the time I'm starting my explanation. After my explanation is complete, again it is slowly rising, and at the outro again it is at 100%. This is how you can control the volume level of the background music track. Now let's have a look at the final output once. I'm just moving the slider to the start position and I'm clicking on play. So here's a tutorial PPT on Camtasia where I'll be explaining. So here you can observe the volume is at 100% up to here, after which it slowly went down. Okay, and here it is almost not audible. Okay, it is there in the background but it is very negligible. Okay, and now navigating to the end again. Now let's see, we'll start from here. I'm clicking on play once again. Equals to mg, where g stands for acceleration due to gravity. Thank you. This is how we need to work with various tools available in the Camtasia library. Hope you like this video. This is Harish signing off. Thank you.